Hello, dear faculty members and colleagues. I Chandra Jain again welcome you in the foundation program in ICT for Education, popularly known as FDP 101X. A very important aspect of this foundation program is OER creation or Open Educational Resource Creation. Firstly, we need to understand what are these open education resources and what is the importance of these resources. As you know that all the students cannot afford expensive education, but most of them are willing to learn, they want to understand the concepts, they want to enhance their knowledge. And also all the books, all the technologies, everything is not available to the last student. So the basic objective of creating open education resources is to enrich the repository resources in a particular domain so that all the students could be benefited with the knowledge and experience of the domain expertise. In this foundation program in ICT, OER creation will be a very important aspect and you will be creating your own lectures as per your own requirement. So open education resource creation is not only a part of this FDP but also a very interesting and enriching experience, because once you will start working on open education resources, you will explore resources already available and you will understand how a simple effort of yours can actually contribute a lot in the learning path of a student or your faculty colleagues. Then it will really make you happy, will make you satisfied. When it comes to OER creation experience, I would like to share my own experience with you all. I find out that OER creation is one of the most interesting aspects of FDP, because here I got the chance to create my lesson, my topic as per my requirement. And I would like to share with you all happily that the very first lecture which I created in this OER creation process was a very simple topic, how to write career objective. And this lecture on my YouTube has crossed approximately 3,000 views, which is again an achievement as far as I believe. So if you create good lectures, you can utilize them in your classes, you can mold the concept, the learning as per your requirement, as per the understanding of your students and as per the availability of resources which are available to you. It is an opportunity for you to make the concept as much as personal as yours, because you are not dependent on anything already available. You can teach your student in your own method and you can design the concept or the lecture as you always wanted to be. The softwares which we will be using for OER creation are very user friendly, they are very easy to use and they are also free. So there is no issue of being technical complexity in using these softwares and how to create OERs. It will be really a fun process, an interesting process for all of you to utilize these softwares. Again, as you know that nowadays online presence of a faculty can also enhance your own value in your domain. So it also gives you a chance to enhance your online presence. As we will be preparing a website on WordPress, we will be creating lectures, we will be uploading them on YouTube. When your students will be watching these video lectures and they will be discussing with their friends, and you may send these lectures to your faculty colleagues and also to the students, then obviously your online presence will enhance, which will add value in your CV, in your own value also. Again, if you think that you have some expertise in a particular domain, but that is not very easily available, so you can create some open education resource which can be a contribution in national resources also. Because if you are creating some lectures, some open education resources which are in a domain which is not very much available to the students, then it will be a huge contribution, there will be a significant contribution in the national resources. And also these open education resources are very useful in enhancing teaching learning process, because these OERs enables you to send in advance the information to your student, to mold the concept as per the requirement of your students and your own understanding. OER creation is one aspect which has fascinated me most in this whole FDP throughout. Again, when you will be, but there are few points of caution which I would like to share with you all. When you are creating open education resources, you are expected to utilize original matters, original PPTs. Plagiarism will not be taken at all. There will be inspection on all levels, that whatever OERs, whatever material you are using, that has to be your own. So, and I believe that it will be a very satisfying and enriching experience for you also when you create a lecture of your own. You deliver this lecture to your students, then obviously they are going to tell other people also, see, our teacher has designed this. So OER creation is a very fulfilling experience, and I believe all of you will enjoy OER creation in this FDP, and it will also help you to enhance your teaching learning process. Thank you very much. Vande Mataram.